everyone, and welcome back again to the channel, everyone. In today's video, we're making this simple cornrow for Prettyimisi. It is back to school time, and I just wanted something very simple that she can wear to school even in this winter period, that will allow her put on her winter cap and also be able to sleep soundly at night without any trouble. All right, everyone, this is our hair. I already conditioned our hair with Cantu leave-in conditioner, and I also applied Mane and Tain herbal grow. I went ahead to massage her scalp to improve blood circulation. The remaining part of this video is sectioning her hair and braiding her hair. I mean, people call it braiding or cornrow if you're used to cornrow. So cornrolling her hair, very easy and well detailed enough to follow. If you have any question, don't hesitate to drop it in the comment section, and I will gladly respond to your question. Alright, everyone, we are done with a simple cornrow, and I just applied hair mousse just to control flyaways, the little tiny flyaways. And then I'm just gonna be styling her hair using this bun right here, which I can remove while she's going to bed. So pretty easy. One hairstyle that can be styled in two ways. So I put a ponytail when we're going out and then take it off at night. Very simple, easy breezy hairstyle. Simple but yet stylish. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. And if it's the first time of coming across my channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I hope to see you again next time. Bye.